So nimeamua kuchukua distance kutoka Kitengela town mpaka Ongata Rongai. Sijajua ni kilomita ngapi, but at the end of the journey nitakuwa nawaambia. So nimeanza, niko around tu, nimepita shortcut around the bushy road, the dust, alafu tutaona vile itakuwa. So as we go nitakuwa na update mahali tumefika, so that tujue ni distance gani hiyo. Sawa, by foot. So nimefika kwa mto fulani ndio navuka, as you can see before guys. Njia tu moja hapa hivi ya kwenda Rongai. Nimeamua kuchukua hii route by foot, so hii distance ni kilomita ngapi, na inawezekana mtu kwenda mguu, so wacha ni tuone. So you people can see the road is very bushy. It's so bushy, and it's the only shortcut to Ongata Rongai. So I've decided to take this route to see if I can get to Ongata Rongai within the shortest time possible. Remember, I've started the journey at around 8:50 a.m. in the morning, and so far it's been good, so I'm just trying. See you. I'm still going to give you more updates when I get there. So thank you. Whoa guys, so dusty here, so dusty. I'm still going, man. But it's a long way. Woo! Very long way. Yeah, I'm still going, Okay. Bad roads. Zebras over there. Yeah. So guys, this is the quarry where they dig stones, building stones. That's how it looks like. This is the quarry, how it looks like. It's a hill here. Okay. And down where I am from to this place. Wow, the journey is tiresome, but guess what guys, I'm always there. So we keep on going and moving. Yeah. This is a river, and I honestly don't know which river is this because you can see how it is. Yeah, still walking, not yet arrived. So, I'm in Twala town. This is one of the towns around in Kajiado County. This is Twala town. You can see got the zebras there. Zebras. The journey is one of the so much. It's something else on another level. So we're just trying to make it to the destination. Just after Twala town, we're still proceeding. So from Twala town, we take another step to completing our journey for today from Kitengela to Ongata Rongai. A journey of approximately 35 kilometers. So let's see how it ends. We're still going. This is River Twala. I don't know if it's Twala River. You can see, guys. You can see. So you can see the river here. From all the sides, don't know which river it is. This is River Twala, I guess so. Yeah. So this another shortcut to there. Okay. So this is how the road looks like, and it's bush. There's a bush all over, as you can see. Yeah, you can see even there's a change of the soils. It is now the red soil that we here. You can see the trees. We don't have the thorny bushes here, but we have leafy trees here, as you can see. Yes, it's how it looks like. I'm told that this is a shortcut to Rongai. Take me just close to African Nazarene University. So it's the shortest route around. I see. Look at the place. So we are at African Nazarene University, and of course we're not yet at Ongata Rongai, but at least from far there, I think you can see we have Ongata Rongai there, but it's a distance also. But for now, we're heading to Masai Lodge. Then from Masai Lodge, we take to Ongata Rongai. From Ongata Rongai, then we can now take to Kiserian. Then from Kiserian to Isinya. Then back to Kitengela. So let's walk. That's African Nazarene University. Pale kwa Richi. Guys, I hope everyone is fine. And today in the morning at 8:50 a.m. in the morning, I started my journey from Kitengela to Ongata Rongai. And you people, believe it or not, it took me around 5 hours to get to Ongata Rongai by foot. I used the route from Kitengela to Tuala, then passed through African Nazarene University. Then from there, made a stop at Masai Lodge, then proceeded to Ongata Rongai. So the journey was tough, very tough, because it was dusty, it was bushy, it was kind of dangerous because we have wild animals there, as you saw, but it never stopped me. But I made it to Ongata Rongai safely, and so what I urge you people to do is kindly watch this video and support upcoming projects just like this is one of mine, and please subscribe to my channel. I am Dennis Official, and like the video. Don't forget to comment down below. So I'll be doing next video maybe on next week, Friday. I think that's when we do a video, but it will be somehow different from this one. So I hope you bear with me and please watch the video. Just see the nature along the natures, the wild animals, the zebras, antelopes, and the rivers, beautiful trees, and so on. So God bless you all.